Welcome to the Station X dashboard. From the main menu, you have quick access to monitoring, playback, and full system configuration. Let's start with the main view. In the main view, you can easily manage your channel groups. By selecting your NVR and specific camera feeds, like this parking lot view, you get a clear, high-definition live stream of your premises. Next, let's look at the cloud alarm feature. This logs real-time events such as motion detection, intrusion, and pedestrian or vehicle alerts. You can click on any event to instantly review the recorded playback from that specific moment. Station X also integrates access control. Here, we can monitor interior cameras. The system uses AI to detect individuals, estimating age, gender, and even identifying if they are wearing a mask or glasses. You can also manage hardware directly, such as remotely unlocking a door, with the system providing instant confirmation. For more specific investigations, we use the AI search tool. This allows you to filter through vast amounts of data quickly. You can search by date, time, and specific triggers of AI detection like pedestrian or motor vehicle. Station X can support our new type of camera's AI. Plus, from now, you can search footage based in specific attribute in the pedestrian and vehicles such as color, type, or brand. The search results provide detailed information, including the exact time of the snapshot and the vehicle type. You can even refine your search by color. For example, filtering for gray vehicles instantly narrows down the results.